Anak nina Derek Ramsey at Ellen Adarna na si Liana, ay nagdiwang ng kanyang first birthday. Magkahiwalay ang selebrasyon nina Ellen at Derek. Sa larawan na binahagi nila sa birthday party ng baby girl nila, ay magkaibang araw nagdiwang si Liana ng kanyang kaarawan. May sariling party si Ellen na may super cute at very baby chic vibes. Hindi yung super bongga na celebrity level na full-blown production, more on intimate, cozy celebration with family and close friends lang. 2 beses nagpa-party si Ellen, isa sa restaurant, at isa sa kanilang garden. Sa caption ni Ellen, anya, "Can't believe my baby girl is already 1. Mama loves you in Daileng-leng."
Happy birthday, Lily. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lily.
Blow.
Happy birthday, Inday.
Go.
Yay!
Happy birthday, sweetheart. Yes. Are you happy with your gift?
Sa sariling party naman ni Derek ay nagbahagi din ito ng bonding moments nila mag-ama, kasama ang pamilya ni Derek at ilang kaibigan. May mahaba namang mensahe si Derek para sa kanyang baby girl. Happy first birthday, my love. I can hardly believe a whole year has gone by since I first held you in my arms. It feels like just yesterday that I looked into your tiny eyes and felt my entire world shift. From that moment on, you became the center of my heart, my purpose, my forever. I want you to know, Lilliput, that there is nothing I wouldn't do for you. I will always be here to hold you, to guide you, to laugh with you, to comfort you, to protect you with everything I have. My love for you is endless, unconditional, and unshakable. No matter how big you get, no matter where life takes you, you will always have a home in my heart. You are my sunshine, my little miracle, my everything. I am so proud to be your parent. And I cannot wait to watch you grow into the incredible person I already know you are becoming. Well, let's not rush the growing up part. Love you, Papa. Dahil sa magkahiwalay na birthday party, marami ang nagtatanong kung totoo nga ba ang chismis na hiwalay na sila. Kasi kung same household kayo, usually isa lang ang party. Pero sa case ni na Ellen at Derek, hiwalay. July pa huling nakitang may post ang mag-asawa na kompleto sila sa isang bakasyon. May nagsasabi pa nga na baka naghiwalay na sila quietly, pero syempre, wala pang official statement from both sides. Si Ellen, very private rin when it comes to sensitive stuff. O baka trying to iron things out. Ayon pa kay Derek, ay false rumors umano ang mga chika ni Christian Gaza. Sa ngayon, parang ang vibe nila is co-parenting na lang. Si Ellen, may sariling moments with Liana, tapos si Derek din. Both naman involved, pero hindi na together. Parang ang tahimik lang ng transition nila, if ever nga nahiwalay na sila. Wala rin ang mga usual couple posts lately, kaya mas lalo tuloy umingay yung speculation.
Yum, yum. Dai, that's mamam all yours. Go and die!